Welcome to qnawire.
We're asked, why is the combined gas-steam cycle more efficient than either of the cycles operating alone? Well, it basically comes down to, if you think about like the whole Carnot cycle, right? The efficiency comes down to, the temperature over which you're extracting heat from the high temperature, and the temperature that you're dumping heat out to the low. So if you think about this combined process as kind of two Carnot cycles, which is obviously a very idealized system. So you're taking heat at a very high temperature here because the combustion process is very hot, and you're dumping it to at a very low temperature. So in the two separate ones, you got a high temperature here and then also a very high temperature here. And here you have a relatively low temperature and then a very low temperature here. So you just that TH TL over TH term, um, you want that to be as small as possible. And so by combining the cycles, you're essentially getting that term to be much smaller than it would be in either of the two individual cycles. So again, you're basically using the condenser of the, it's not really a condenser, but using the kind of the condenser of the gas cycle as the boiler of the steam cycle. So instead of dumping it to the surroundings, you are again going to use that, and then wind up dumping, after you use it, then dumping the energy from the hot water out of the steam turbine um, into the atmosphere at a very much lower temperature than you would dumping the energy from the the steam or the gas turbine.